Daisy, and this is boafuo. Boafuo is an assistant for tailors. Boafuo means helper, and in true helper fashion, it takes the admin stress from tailors. Boafuo stores clients' measurements and manages orders. If you are here today and you are not a tailor, you can still find boafuo very useful. Now, introduce yourself to boafuo. Hi boafuo, I am Daisy. Boafuo always gives timely responses. Tell boafuo about yourself, your store, the location, and any other details, perhaps your specialties. Hi boafuo, I am Daisy Brown. I run D's Clothing. We are located in Laboni and we specialize in women's wear. I want to get started as a tailor. Boafuo would walk you through all the processes to complete onboarding. For convenience, you can click I am a tailor and that would take you straight to the form and you can onboard yourself faster. Now, as a tailor who has successfully onboarded themselves on boafuo, you can get started adding a new client or creating a new order.